STUs, 15s, wiring at 1 ohm on a Defcon's AAB 7900.
Okay. What are you wired to on it? 1 ohm? Okay. And do you know your box specs, tuning or anything on it?
So it just got built last weekend.
Okay.
Turned it to 25. Roughly, which are about 8.5 cubes.
Okay.
Internally.
Nice.
And stock alternator, 45 amp hour C-Max lithium.
Yeah. Looks good. Very nice. And I know you said you're still working on it, so like you're gonna seal off the sides or
Yeah, so we got seal the sides. I did put a brace in here in the back, but screws weren't long enough, so now box flex. But
all right. Sure, I'd love to hear it, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
David Higdon,
Step to the back real quick. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment what you like about his system. Shout out to David. This was at the Slamfest audio show, Tampa, Florida area. Did a pretty good job, and he was playing down to 18 hertz on the first song, and the second song was probably in the mid to high 20s into the low 30s. So got to stay tuned. Really impressive. I like the way the actual install is. I know he said it was a work in progress, seeing his amplifiers installed on the side of the box, and he's probably eventually going to be sealing off at the B pillar. So a lot of work in progress. Nothing wrong with still sharing the video on YouTube. Hope y'all are enjoying the video. If you notice the way he has the back of his box, you could tell he built into the vehicle there. So building into the vehicle, you probably get at least 5 to 7 more cubes in this size style cabin. I've seen people gain over 20 cubes just by building into an SUV. So if anybody's looking at doing a wall build, building in the vehicle may not be the most efficient way for you to build it, but it is more efficient for space utilization. So 2-song bass demo we're coming to, total 8,000 watts on 4 15-inch subs. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already for daily car audio videos every day on JacobViral.
Bye.